Hey everybody, today we're going to install a Raceblade Pro XL rear fender from SKS on the back of a bike here. These have rubber straps that hold them around the seat stays, rubber inserts on the plastic part here so it holds, once it grips on it doesn't slip around. Really easy hardware to get set up. These will adjust up and down just by moving them a little bit. Once you get it tweaked to where you want it, you can tighten up the hardware a little bit to hold it nice and secure. But it's pretty straightforward. Just lay it right on the wheel, roll it up, kind of get it in close to in position. Grab the strap, stretch it around, hook it on the teeth of the plastic mount, reach around, grab the other side, do the exact same thing, and then you can see just by moving this around a little bit you can adjust the clearance, get it to where it's a nice consistent arc around the wheel, and you are ready to go ride in the rain.